5 psychological benefits of playing online games. 1. Stress relief. According to research studies, playing browser games has a lot of psychological benefits. If you are a regular player, you can experience reduced stress levels. Aside from this, car games help you feel happier and relaxed. 2. Skill development. Some titles also allow you to challenge your friends, which may help you improve your memory, analytical skills, focus and memory. Many of these products also involve strategy, which requires a lot of attentiveness and concentration. This is true whether you play them alone or with friends. What happens is that you have to keep an eye on the behavior and move of your opponent. And this makes you more alert. Apart from this, these products involve interpersonal and cognitive skill development. As a result, your brain remains in good health. 3. Staying engaged. Most online games rely on your short-term memory. But many of them can also have a positive impact on your long-term memory and many of other skills. If you follow the same routine for months without a break, you may suffer from mental stagnation. Online games can help you fill this gap by keeping you busy both physically and mentally. As a matter of fact, playing with a virtual opponent is as entertaining as playing with a local friend. Although there is a lack of social interaction and conversation, online games may still help you improve your focus. Actually, the fun comes from the competition you face during the gameplay. However, you can't ignore the allied benefits offered by browser-based games. 4. Interaction. Another benefit that you can enjoy is the promotion of teamwork and communication. You get an incentive to work together while playing the games. This helps you have a better interaction with your fellow players. For introverts, this can be a great benefit which allows you to interact with each other through an online medium. So, you can enjoy better interpersonal interactions. 5. Entertainment. We all need entertainment but with convenience. The good thing about online games is that they can be played regardless of time and location. In other words, you can enjoy your favorite titles whether you are at home or on the move. So, you can play them from home, office, waiting rooms, or car. You can choose from a lot of titles based on your personal preferences. Other skills that you can improve by playing online games include leadership skills, problem-solving skills, and observation skills. In short, if you have never played games online, we suggest that you check out some browser games. You can choose from thousands of titles, and the good thing is that you don't need to install them first. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.